Hello there guys, and welcome back. Today guys, I want to share a video with you on how to do a rinseless wash properly. I want to make this video pretty simple, and I'm going to start off with the fact that all of the majority of the shampoos that are on the market, whether it's a pH neutral soap or it's a rinseless solution like ONR, they're all pH neutral. They all tackle loose dirt and grime and dust. But there's a lot more contamination on the roads than just dirt and grime and dust. There's traffic film, there's transmission fluid, more oil, there's other contaminants, you have industrial fallout, you name it, go down the list. Typically a pH neutral soap or pH neutral rinseless solution, it will not be able to remove those kind of contaminants, and then eventually they turn into bonded contaminants. All pH neutral soaps or pH neutral solutions are designed to be safe on wax surfaces, and that's a bit of a problem because those contaminants that they will not be able to remove with a pH neutral formulation, they will be sitting on the surface, and you won't be able to tackle them with a pH neutral solution. That's what I mentioned in my previous videos. That's why I started using a lot more aggressive, or well, not aggressive to a point where they're gonna break the paint, but much stronger shampoos, soaps. So I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna spray the paint, my rinseless solution, but I have plenty of ONR on the surface. I'm gonna take my rinseless solution. I pre-treated the area here. The car is not dirty, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag it, wipe down the panel. Just like this. I'm gonna do next my surface prep. It removes waxes, oils, polish, and residue and fillers. Yes, you might say, oh, but what's going to happen to the waxes that you applied in the car previously? Well, guys, I typically always tend to reapply waxes. You have spray waxes. It takes me literally about 5 to 10 minutes to apply a wax on the whole car. I can guarantee myself that my surface is clean, and I can guarantee myself 100% of protection using the spray wax as well. So I'm going to do this. I'm typically going to just lightly spray it. So what I've done is I've eliminated all the contamination using the surface prep, and my next step will be taking a microfibre towel and applying, shake it up first, spray wax. So now I can guarantee myself 100% protection, 100% cleanliness, because I use the surface prep, which remove all of the oils that could have been remained, oils, traffic film, whatever has been remained behind, what the pH neutral shampoo won't be able to remove, because it's a solvent-based chemical that will tackle all these dirts. So it's also worth mentioning that the ONR solution that I'm using today, I mix it up with distilled water because I'm using it in direct sunlight. You don't have to worry about any water deposits left behind this way if it dries out on you. Also, one of the many rules of detailing is going through the panel once rather than going back and forth multiple times and sort of conflicting more scratches, and we just want to go to the panel once, wipe it down, and 2 sprays of panel prep per panel. That will take care of the rest of the dirt. If you're using a stronger shampoo like Turtle Wax Max Power shampoo or Build Hamber Auto Wash, they were my tackle that are a little better. I would not use a panel prep, maybe just from time to time. But what it ultimately does is increases the gloss because you have less thing on the panel, and the car looks great. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos.